Deputy Speaker, time me come to this house. Me bin talking more people blow me lo Bogainvill lo sem. Me clear good long. Bogainvill. Me clear good long. Papua New Guinea. Me clear good long. How by me can kisim ting ting na like blongol. Igolo this la big la house. One time all this la talk. Me been kisim overwhelming mandate. Lol people blow me lo Bogainvill. Lo kam na kisim cry blongoli kam lo this la house too. Na me like make him clear. Lord people blow me lo Bogainvill, time me kisim this opportunity. Me talk thank you past long. Prime Minister, Honorable James Marape, contempt Deputy Prime Minister, long wisdom blong all long putting me also Minister. Given the structure of Bogainvill na government, na PNG government, na Mr. Posem regional member, me got this opportunity lo work also Minister. This now I been allowing me long got voice inside long National Executive Council. Me no save high team ting ting long Bogainvill. Me save sit down him inside long National Executive Council. First and foremost, so me talk clear long all people blow me, so you can appreciate him or sem. You me got two plan neck now inside long National Executive Council. Long talk strong long. Give him ting na support him like lo yumi lo Bogainvill. But with the greatest respect, long how you me sindan him constitution blo yumi, na respect you me got long country blo yumi long Papua New Guinea. Deputy Speaker, me no like harim one plan member blo this pla honorable house. You compare him province blo you lo Bogainvill. Noken na noken comparing me province blow me one time province blow you. Mila go big click long history ta so liklik you know long way to mas because like long Bogainvill long Sanapolia te me date him he go back Abrusim 1942 long time blow and me go more yet. But bami bring him you plata so long time. The indigenous Bougainvillians felt that they were not equally participating, not equally treated on their own land when the conglomerates were operating on our land, and so there was an uprising. You misavelo displa story blo Bogainvill. Nogat wagla leader lo displa house. You know not talk, you know save long walk about long Bogainvill. It's in many books written about Bogainvill. It's all over the web. You can extract information on Bogainvill. But two significant moments in history, let me remind this house. When we talk about the principles of the Constitution by which we stand on this country, or we stand up in this house, me personally feel you have been abusing on these principles. Why me talking me abusing these principles? Because you me yet been salim all military blow you me go kill him all people blow you me yet. Na time me make him all same. You me defeat him all get a something constitution and me talk long him. Deputy Speaker, you know not give him, not value him 25,000 lives lost. More on Bogainvill side, but many Bougainvillians are also intermarried to Papua New Guinea side, or the great land of this side. I'm an example of them. I live on both sides. I fully understand and appreciate both sides. Not one province were you in a blockade for 10 years. let me remind all our leaders, it was not easy to come to a compromise to write a peace agreement. We were all up in arms in 2019-21 when there was a pandemic and we stopped movement in the country. Mosby couldn't move to Leh. Inter-region, inter-province couldn't move for 1 week, and we were all up in arms. Imagine for 10 years your province kept away from every possible service. 10 solid years, no health, no education, no access to the outside world. We were blocked from every possible access to the island. You couldn't access Solomons, you couldn't access East New Britain. My honorable leaders, I wanted to highlight these two significant moments in history, which I feel, when we talk about the Constitution, we totally disregarded the Constitution when leaders of the past made that conscious decision. So when we are now in this point in history, and mind you, the peace agreement allowed for us to have a mutual working relationship to better understand and help the people of Bougainville for 15 years to try and redevelop Bogainvill. 2001 tayo may signing peace agreement. Past governments have not been honoring plenty commitment long M2. Plenty commitment to me working, you may not live by it. So you may can peel him, please, my honorable leaders, you may talk to some government, one people in this house. The sooner we accept that the people want independence, the sooner we can design the way forward for this country.
When you become a new country, who will you align yourself with diplomatically, Taiwan or China?
Okay, in choosing between Taiwan and China, I would go for China.
Why would you do that?
Because I see China is now the emerging country. It's going to, become powerful in the near future.
But China
not Taiwan. But Taiwan is going to go down. Taiwan is going to go down in terms of, superiority. So I would align myself with whichever,
Do you think it'd be better to be with the winner than the loser?
That's right. That's right.
Taiwan is democratic. China is communist. That doesn't worry you?
That doesn't worry me. One thing is that I see China have culture. They are culture people. Bougainville have culture. Our culture is something that we can, connect with.
You don't think they just swallow you up?
I don't think they will swallow Bougainville, because Bougainville, we have strong intention of becoming an independent nation. Not a nation to be fed by even superpower countries. But as we are, we will get the best from what they could offer.
If you align yourself diplomatically with China, where does that leave Australia?
It doesn't stop Bougainville from saying no to Australia. No, Bougainville is going to be open to both Australia and China. Let me say, Bougainville is going to be open to the Western countries and Eastern countries.
Open for business?
Open to business. Open to business.
Is Bougainville for sale at any price?
No, Bougainville is not open for sale. It doesn't matter whether it's China or Australia or America. We are here. We are here now, ready to start a new nation. We need their money. We have the resources. We need their money. One thing I feel about China is that they have culture. They have culture. I see Western countries, they don't have culture. Their culture is money. China's culture is similar to Bougainville.
That's the way you see China?
Yes. For Bougainville, when we visit our friends around Bougainville, we always go out there, greet each other, you know, bring food to them, and then this way we express our relationship, our love for them. That's a thing I've seen with China, you know. When they go out, they don't just go with nothing to be getting closer to them, just like our culture.
They bring gifts.
They bring gifts. And that's one thing. China is going to beat Australia in. Because Australia, when they go to a new place, they just match up there. They want to expect, you know, grow up a business. They are coming, you know, to that part, interested in developing this and that, blah, blah, blah. And then off they go. So in no respect to the people over there, if you are to get closer to a person, you need to, you know, consider what the other person is. You need to win him, win her heart. It's time for wooing. Bogainvill is like young girl out there, and it's looking for young men out there, you know, proposing. If you are going to get married to Bogainvill, you have to come good. Who is going to be the best husband?
We need to bring chocolates and roses.
How are you going to woo that young lady out there? You know, you have to try your best.
Hello, I'm Liam Bartlett. Thanks for watching. To keep up with the latest from 60 Minutes Australia, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the 9Now app for full episodes and other exclusive 60 Minutes content.